If you log in for the first time, or you just want to have a quick refresher of how everything works, then in this video, I'm going to show you a quick demo. So the first thing you do when you create your account, you get a confirmation email, you confirm, you sign in. Okay, this we've done. Then there's two things you can start with. One of them is to choose your plan here at the billing, because without a plan, nothing really works. There's 3 plans to choose from. Depending on which plan you choose, you get your credits or your products, how many products you can upload. 1 credit is 1 product. This leads you to Stripe. You will check out and you will be led back. You will get the credits in your account. Then the second thing you will do is you will add your store. So to add your store, if you don't have a store connected yet, it will just say add store. I have one connected. You can add multiple stores. So what you will do is you just follow the steps on this video, and then you will paste your URL and your API access token in here. And then once you've done this, you will be able to see this screen like it is here. You will click on validate connection. This will pop up. You set up everything here. What do you want to be as your standard product vendor? What language and region do you have? Make sure they can be different. For example, you can have language English, but region can be either United Kingdom or United States. It's an important difference for Google. The retail price multiplier, so this would be basically like the cost of goods and shipping times how many times do you want this. Compared price multiplier, that's compared to the retail price. Then you have the price rounding. Here you will see a small example of what it will be rounded up to. And here you have some other settings that you can choose. Do you want all the products to be on active or draft? Do you want them to be published to sales channels, VAT? Should the background be removed from the first image, from the main image? Do you want alt text for your images? Should all pricing be the same for all variants? So when you've done this, then you're ready to start with your first batch. To do this, we have 4 different flows. I'm going to walk through these 3. Okay, the first one to start with will be this one by AliExpress link. You can either download the template here and fill it in, or you can just copy and paste your AliExpress links in here. Both work. For example, I have this product. I just pasted in here. You can paste multiple products. You will see it will recognize multiple products. Just add them here. These are all actually the same. So for this example, I'm just going to do 1. And this will count as 1 credit because it's 1 product. Then you go to the next step. You will select your store here. You have the settings again that you also set up in your store screen. Just check if everything is good. I see that I still need to select this. And you can click on Start Batch, and that's it. Products will be added to your store. If you click on the Start Batch, this will take a while to load. This screen you will have for all the batches, so all the flows. So all 4 flows end in this screen. What do I mean with flows? All of these 4, they end in this screen. Now you can also do this one, for example, import from Shopify. I always use this one as an example. You can copy a link from any Shopify collection. That's important, needs to be a collection, otherwise it doesn't work. Any collection, you can copy the link and just paste it here. And then we will import all the products from this collection, and then you can select which one of these you want. So for this example, I'm going to select the first 3. There's multiple pages. You can see here also if one product has multiple variants, it's shown here. So we do import all the variants. Well, then you go to next step, choose whatever you want. Same screen again, and you can click on Start Batch. Then the third flow I'm going to show is this one. Here you can add some keywords. So for example, if you want to expand your catalog and you sell dog products, okay, well, you can do, for example, dog beds. That's of course a good product to have. Then you would do English, and let's say you sell United States. You can click on search, and we will basically trigger the Google Keyword Planner. And then here you can say like, hey, I want to find products for, hey, human dog bed, I see potential here. Or Squishmallow dog bed, very interesting. It's crazy trending right now. Dog cooling mat, interesting. In the United States, that this is trending. So you will pick some keywords here, and then we will go out and find products for these keywords. Then you go to the next step. You set your filters here. So I want to find products between 12 and 109 euros, the costing price. Minimum product rating, I would suggest to leave it at 4. Minimum orders, I would suggest to leave it at 10. Then you click on next step, and then we are going to go out and find products for you on AliExpress. This will take a while. This will take a few minutes. You'll also receive an email when this is done. And when this is done, this is the loading screen you will get. You will also see your badge here. It's in searching products. When this is done, here you will see a button select products. And then you can select which products you want to add. And then you go again to the batch settings page that we've already seen twice, which is the same for all flows, and products will be added. Then the fourth flow, it's actually really simple. Just add how many products you want and add your keywords, and we'll do everything. We find products, we select products. This is for people who want to scale a lot and don't care that much what products are added. This is not a popular flow. Of course, you can use it. I use it, but I'm not going to go into detail. Then the last thing, but maybe the best thing, is that you can build your own templates. So when you go to this page, know that you need to have the scalar plan, custom AI templates. That's this feature. You can go to the template builder and you can choose how you want your title and description to be. So for this example, I'm just going to do both Google SEO general, but you can also add a call to action. You can set here like, hey, what do you want your call to action to be? And think of this like you're kind of building a prompt that you would give to ChatGPT. So like the instructions you would give there, you can also give in here, you can be specific, how many sentences, you can say here how many bullet points you want, what the style of the bullet points is. Okay. Then you can do an example, like let's just see how this would look like. So for example, I'm doing dog beds. You can also paste your own title and description here, and then you will see the output as well, but you can also just click on here, then you click on generate content, and then soon it will appear here how your title and description will actually look like. And then we will use this, if you click on save, for your product generation as well. So you're not stuck to our template, you can make completely your own. You can see here, this is the from this title and description, this is what we have created. And you can see that it follows everything we've said in here. If you like this, you can save it. If not, just fine tune what you want here to make sure that this output, you can also try different sample products, or like I said, give your own. If you're satisfied with this, save it. Then you want to set as default and can say custom template Vincent. It will be saved as custom template Vincent. And then you will see it here, custom template Vincent, And yeah, this will be used then, what you've set as default here, this will be used into your new batch when you create a new batch. And yeah, here you can see the information about your batches. This one we just started, it's processed. Then you can click on here to see what products we've added, or just go to your Shopify store and see what products are added. You can sort from most recent to least recent, created. And that's everything. We still have some settings here, but yeah, these will all be quite obvious.